Hi guys, my name is Maria. I'm from Bravo Circus Studio, and today we will learn how to do a helicopter. Wrap your hoop in a vertical position, twist outside halfway 90 degrees, bring your second hand a little bit lower, then first one, switch and twist again behind your back, and bring your second hand again a little bit lower, twist again. With right hand I'm twisting my hoop outside, with left inside. Outside, switch, inside. Outside, inside. Try to do really slow first time. Hold the hoop, twist halfway, switch, twist halfway again, switch, and really slow. When you start practice, when you feel comfortable, you'll work on your speed, how to do this really fast. And try to do also turn yourself around. It will give you a little bit more speed, and also different way how to do this trick. A little bit more practice and I'm sure guys you will get this one. Good luck!